house that exudes a timeless quality from the day it was completed, seamlessly integrated into its beautiful surroundings. This is the outcome of a design strategy that involved repurposing the blueprint of an existing home as the foundation for the design, specifically to preserve the stunning, mature landscape enveloping the house. The plot for the Happy Valley residence, crafted by innovative architects Swat Mears, is a prized 2.3-acre level parcel bordered by a year-round creek in Lafayette, California. The layout takes the form of a simple H shape with a large covered porch at the back of the house, presenting an outdoor lounge area, a dining space, and a nearby fire pit for cozy gatherings. Adding to the plethora of outdoor entertainment spaces, a poolside cabana offers an additional area to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The centerpiece of the house is the magnificent two-story great room, seamlessly connecting to both courtyard spaces. On the second floor, the children's wing is positioned above the kitchen and family room, while the master suite is located above the office and guest suite. Warm and natural materials, such as western red cedar for cladding, as well as travertine walls, floors, and terraces, contribute to the inviting atmosphere of the house. Custom-crafted Douglas fir windows and doors, stained to match the cedar exterior, enhance the overall character. A captivating path guides visitors through the entry courtyard to the pivoting glass front door, setting the stage for an impressive entry experience.